This is a public notice of tribal origin, designation, and application for the collective benefit of all clans, knowing or unknowing, of the tribal mother's right to assert as tribal right the restoration of the Great Law, the Grandmother Clause, and mother's right to serve and protect offspring of herself and all other mothers similarly situated. I am Sandra Sandiford, Goldia 10, mother and matriarch with direct blood ties to the earth and the first earth inhabitants, called in modern science genus homo or homo sapien. The root to the matrix being mitochondria, and I as mother, along with the other mothers, are authorized by Prime Creator to regulate our species' DNA by mitochondrial analysis of Y chromosomes to heal, correct, repair, and host those who carry the Y chromosome as responsible fashioners of future generations of men, and by divine decree and order. As our ancestors spoke into existence all that existed, we, the mothers of the Earth tribe, speaking for Mother Earth, channeling Prime Creator through a pure heart, clear mind, and direct link through life's all portal, called in modern times the uterus or womb, and mystically as the portal of life, that all children, male and female, must come through as children of the earth, sun, moon, and stars, manifest as sentient beings, endowed with the genetic code to always restore, maintain, and support a balanced life as a caretaker of the earth and teachers of all humanity. We now speak the great liberation of all clans, tribes, and families called in modern law by misnomers of nationals, citizens, voters, and the public, giving false names to intentionally and with malice and afterthought mislead all the earth tribes into the unconscious surrender of birthright, inheritance, and sovereign standing before all tribes. With the mother's stern rejection, I and we say, enough. We call for a definite and clear end to public displays of deception and privately held secrets designed to usurp the nature-given inalienable rights of any and all clans, clan members, and their respective leadership, whom the legal fiction has derailed and undermined from fulfilling tribal functions and proper administration of tribal law. I, Sandra Sandiford, Goldia 10, call to life and call to light all chiefs being bound, restricted, captured, and held captive, also informing by public notice, time-stamped and dated in an archivable format before all clans across the land according to our tribal tradition of the spoken law, with neither acknowledgement nor approval being needed from the legal fiction now defunct, formerly known as the United States Incorporated.